Besties, let's be honest. Don't we all want that moment when we walk into class or even just the kitchen and people are like, wow, she looks so good today? That's what having an insane face card is about. And guess what? It doesn't take hours, it doesn't take money. You can literally transform your look in just 10 minutes. I'm talking real hacks, real glow, no gatekeeping. When I was younger, I always thought pretty girls just woke up glowing, like it was magic. Meanwhile, I'd wake up looking like a sleepy raccoon, dark circles, dry lips, puffy cheeks. But over time, I learned little tricks, and suddenly people were asking if I was secretly wearing makeup. Spoiler alert, I wasn't. It was all about details, and today I'm spilling everything. When people say your face card never declines, it's not about being perfect or looking like a celebrity. It's about your natural features looking their absolute best. Hydrated skin, fresh lips, awake eyes, neat brows. That's it. Glow up isn't about faking. It's about enhancing what you already have. First hack, drink water. Yes, it sounds boring, but hear me out. After a whole night of sleep, your body is thirsty and your face shows it first. A tall glass of cold water plumps your skin, makes it brighter, and even reduces morning puffiness. It's literally the cheapest glow up ever. Next, head to the sink, splash your face with cold water. It wakes up your skin, tightens your pores, and makes your cheeks instantly rosier. Honestly, it feels like a mini spa moment that costs nothing. Here's a model secret. Take an ice cube, wrap it in tissue, and rub it along your cheeks, under eyes, and jawline. It depuffs, sharpens, and gives that just got a facial look. Cold, yes, but so worth it. Massage your jaw upwards with your fingers. Push up along your cheekbones too. This drains puffiness and makes your face look sculpted, like contour, but natural. I do this before selfies and it works every time. Dark circles making you look tired? Place chilled spoons, cucumber slices, or aloe under your eyes for a minute. Your eyes instantly look fresher, like you've had 8 hours of sleep, even if you didn't. Never skip moisturizer. Hydrated skin reflects light and makes you look healthy, clean, and expensive. Aloe vera gel, petroleum jelly, or any cream you have will do. Dry skin dulls the vibe. Hydration brings it back. If you can't wear blush at school, just pinch your cheeks gently for 15 seconds. It brings blood flow to the surface and gives you a natural TikTok-worthy pink flush. It's like instant makeup without makeup. Dab a tiny bit of moisturizer or Vaseline down your nose bridge. This gives that soft, dewy clean girl aesthetic highlight. No highlighter needed. Glossy lips are the ultimate face card upgrade. Keep a lip balm with you. Clear, tinted, or DIY. Hydrated lips equals sign main character energy. Dry lips? Nope, not today. For smooth lips, put a little Vaseline on and brush gently with a toothbrush. In 1 minute, your lips are soft, plump, and glowing. Bonus, they'll look amazing in selfies. Brows can change your whole vibe. Grab a spoolie or a clean toothbrush, brush them upward with a dab of Vaseline. Boom. Fluffy, neat brows in seconds. Even without mascara, curling your lashes makes your eyes look bigger and more awake. Seriously, it's like a mini eye lift. Here's a subtle hack. Dab Vaseline or a tiny white liner on your waterline. Your eyes instantly look glossy, bright, and doll-like. Your smile is your best accessory. Brush your teeth, use mouthwash, and then practice a soft, relaxed smile in the mirror. Confidence literally lights up your face. Mix beet juice or strawberry with a little balm for a natural cherry lip tint. It's glossy, trendy, and completely free. For that K-beauty glass skin look, dab aloe or light oil on your cheekbones. Suddenly, your skin looks like glowing glass. Tap a bit of moisturizer lightly on your forehead. Instead of looking oily, it gives a radiant, healthy shine that looks gorgeous in sunlight. Massage your cheekbones upwards for 30 seconds. It makes them look lifted and gives a natural blush. It's giving supermodel energy. Splash cold water directly on your eyes or use chilled drops. It reduces redness and makes your eyes sparkle instantly. Rub an ice cube gently on your nose bridge. It reduces puffiness and makes your nose look slimmer. Perfect for selfies. Hold an ice cube or a cold roller along your jawline and cheeks for 1 minute. Instant snatch. It's like contour without products. Spray rose water on your face. It refreshes your skin, makes it smell amazing, and adds that extra glow. Chew gum for 2 minutes to relax your jaw and freshen your breath. Then smile. You'll feel 10x more confident. Blow air into your cheeks and hold, then release. It tightens facial muscles and makes your skin look firmer in minutes. Your hair changes your face card too. 2 front strands down equal sign soft feminine, slick bun equal sign sharp clean. Play with it. Tuck your hair behind your ears. It makes your cheekbones and jawline stand out. Such a small detail, but so powerful. Pick a color that flatters your skin tone. Wearing the right shade makes your face look brighter instantly. Pastels, white or black always hit. Tiny hoops, pearl studs, or a dainty necklace can frame your face and make you look more polished, even if you're just in a hoodie. Before leaving the house, open your selfie cam. Fix hair, lips, or brows quickly. Your phone is your mirror. Use it. Stand by a window before heading out. Natural light makes your face glow, and it sets the tone for the day. When you walk into a room, make gentle eye contact. It makes you look confident, friendly, and magnetic. Face card equal sign activated. Relax your face muscles. Stop frowning or tensing your jaw. A calm face looks prettier, softer, and more approachable. Take 3 deep breaths before leaving. It calms you, reduces puffiness, and gives your face a more relaxed, glowing look. Scrunch your nose and smile. It's playful, it's cute, and it gives you that effortless TikTok girl energy. A genuine laugh makes your face light up more than any product ever will. It's the secret behind the best face cards. Pure joy. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. The way you carry yourself makes your face glow more than highlighter ever could. Remember, your face card is already valid. These hacks are just upgrades. Glow isn't about perfection. It's about details, self-care, and confidence. Try this routine tomorrow and watch how everyone notices. But most importantly, notice it yourself. Because when you feel pretty, you are pretty.